Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we want to solve this tricky exponential equation. Okay, so solution. Alright, so from here, we're going to factor out 2 raised to power n because here 2 raised to power n is common and here 2 raised to power n is common. So let's factor out 2 raised to power n. That's what we do first. Okay, so from here we have 2 raised to power n. Okay, when we remove 2 raised to power n from here, we have 2 raised to power 2n remaining and 2 raised to power n has been removed. What we have here is 1. Okay, here too, 2 raised to power n is common. We factor it out. We have 2 raised to power n left and we have 1 left. Everything equals to 6. Right, by the time we expand this, 2 raised to power n times this will give us 2 raised to power 3n. 2 raised to power n times minus 1 will give us 2 raised to power n. Also this, 2 raised to power n times 2 raised to power n will give us 2 raised to power 2n. And 2 raised to power n times minus 1 will give us 2 raised to power n. Everything equals to 6. Then we can cancel out this 2 raised to power n. From there we can write this as 2 raised to power 2n minus 1 raised to power 2. Okay, then we have 2 raised to power n minus 1. Everything equals to 6. Right, because 1 raised to power 2 is same thing as 1. And then from here we can do difference of squares. Remember, if you have a square minus b square, it becomes a minus b, a plus b. Difference of squares. That's what we do in this place. And then this one becomes 2 raised to power n minus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power n plus 1. That is what this becomes. And then we have 2 raised to power n minus 1. Everything equals to 6. Okay, so from there, 2 raised to power n minus 1 is common. We have 2 raised to power n minus 1 here. We cancel out this 2 raised to power n minus 1. And then we have this. So we have 2 raised to power n. Then you move this plus 1 to the other side of that 6. So it becomes 6 minus 1. And then 6 minus 1. By the time you subtract 1 from 6, we have 2 raised to power n equals to 5. Alright, so from here, we can take the logarithm of both sides. So we take the logarithm of both sides, and that becomes log 2 raised to power n equals to log 5. And then you take this n to the back. You know, one of the laws of logarithm says if you have log x raised to power y, it becomes y log x. Okay, that's what we're applying here. You take this one to the back, it becomes n log 2 equals to log 5. Then you can divide both sides by log 2. Alright, so we divide this by log 2 and divide this by log 2. So that log 2 cancels log 2. Then we have n equals to, what is log 5? Log 5 is equivalent to 0.6990, while log 2 is equivalent to 0.3010. So 4 decimal places. Right, so log 5 is this, so we have 0.6990 over log 2, which is 0.3010. Okay, so n is approximately, by the time we divide this by this, we have 2.32. N is approximately 2.32. That is to 2 decimal places. Right, so let's try this. Let's solve 64 raised to power n minus 4 raised to power n over 16 raised to power n minus 2 raised to power n, everything equals to 15. Okay, so let's solve this and write our answer in the comment section. Right, thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. See you next time.